Hi everybody, it's been a while since I came up here to say hello to everybody. So I just thought I'll use this opportunity today to do that. So I'm at home today, I'm still on holiday and I'm just renewing my braids, though they're not very clean, but like I'm trying my best to do it, especially struggling with nails and just doing it, just anyhow I can just to refresh it and moisturize it. But yeah, other than that, I am not doing much and I'm just wondering what you guys are doing. How is it going from your own end? It's 12:15 p.m. here in the UK, and I just thought I'll come up and say hello to people. If there's anybody online, if you feel like chatting, please go ahead and drop a message and say hello. Let's have a chat. It's really been a couple of weeks since I came up last up here live message, also live video. The last time was about, I think, 3 weeks ago when I was with my husband. My husband is at work, if you're wondering. And I'm just at home. I'm still not resumed yet, so I'm still, you know, having some rest, enjoying my holiday so far, and hoping for the best. So, I was supposed to go live on my wedding day. Apparently, we have a family YouTube that we opened some time ago, which we've started posting things on it gradually. My hair is very dry anyway, by the way. So it's a little bit itchy. So yeah, I was supposed to go live on our wedding day, which was on the 3rd of August. But I didn't realize I struggled to, look at it, because when I was trying to go live, I was trying to ask me to create reel first. So I was like, why should I do that? I'm allowed to go live. And obviously it didn't let me um do that. So I had wondered why I couldn't go live. So what happened was, like, later on, because people had sort of said to people, come to my YouTube channel. When you're there, you'll be able to see the live video. I'll go live and all that. So, but when I couldn't do that, people were asking me, like, why can we not see the wedding from your YouTube page? So I had thought I was on my actual page, not on the family page. But I didn't figure that out immediately. But later on I figured out that I was on another page. But nevertheless, I'm getting my wedding, the actual full clip of our wedding soon. And when that happens, I'll be able to post it. I think I'm getting 2 videos. One is like a longer one of everything that happened from the beginning to the end. And then second one is just a social media sort of clip, about 2 minutes clip and all that. But if I get them, I'll be happy to post all of it here. I'll post all of it here. So I'm trying to see messages. So anyways, I just thought I'll come here to like say hello to people. It's been a while since I came up here to speak to people. I can see 4 people online. For some reason I'm not